So let's talk about how to boost student engagement in just 10 minutes a day. So one of the things I hear all the time from teachers is it is so hard to get kids to settle down and get engaged. So I brought this problem to a bunch of incredibly talented teachers who have over 50 years of experience and are really experts when it comes to creativity, thinking, and education. And here's what we have pretty much developed for you. So let me show you how it works. It is hundreds of questions and images that come together to get kids thinking. So let me show you. Here's one of them. Can you write a story using the objects on the other side? So take a look at the picture. Have your students either one, individually, use these objects, come up with a story. Two, collaboratively, maybe as a small group, write maybe a title or an entire story, or come up just with the plot. Or three, as an entire class, come up with, I don't know, the story of your class using these objects. You will see fun and laughter ensue in your classroom. So wait, stop. Are you a parent or a grandparent and you want to get your kids thinking? Download a free sample and use these in your car, at dinner, all over the place. Okay, back to the video. Let's do another one. What would you paint if you had a huge blank wall? How fun would this be to maybe imagine, draw it out? These can be used K through 12 to get kids just thinking in creative and fun ways. We have over 100 different things that you can use to get kids thinking curiously, creatively, and critically. They are all different and they are here to get you engaged and thinking after recess, after lunch. What if you have a few minutes at the end of class and you need to get kids doing something? Pull one of these out and just have fun thinking. So if you're interested in learning more and seeing how these work, I have a gift for you. Use this QR code and download a sample, a free sample that you can try in your classroom and give it a whirl. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.